We'll share this video. This is what Fada Angelo Unegbu wrote na Facebook page here about Zion Ministry and Evangelist Ebukobi. I hope now those people who have been supporting him will find peace with Ifa Fada Unegbu Delu. Agbalmono na ndị na-ekwe oge mecha kweta because no nwere ebe a na-eje ka egwudo. On how the Catholic Church accept this advice, the better for them. Agwaran Hasefa, Evangelist Ebukobi should be counted as an asset to the Catholic Church, or even the Catholic Church Ijiwe Kacha, or even the Catholic Church Ijiwe Debube. They should make good use of Evangelist Ebukobi instead of fighting him for nothing. Nwoke arrive go na nwoke arrive go. Ka mgbapụ gobi ọsọ gugodu ifechi di ulegwu delu Fada delu. Also, Zion is more than just a movement today. I only hope that the movement contributes to the socio-economic development of our land. This crowd is phenomenal. Even God will be fascinated by it. It's time for the church to enter into dialogue with Evangelist Ebukobi. In the end, it could be a win-win situation. The church could even send a priest as a spiritual director whose job will not be to be in charge, but to offer advice and attend to the sacramental needs of the Catholics there. If the church is not careful, another Martin Luther scenario may play out. I don't talk my own. Nwanne, if you cannot beat them, you join them. It is clear now that Zion is becoming an unbeatable movement. So the Catholic Church should be wise and play a very fast game before they lose it completely. A very fantastic advice. Say about being in charge of finance and all that. If the aim is to win soul for God, money should not be the priority. I hope now those people now call Fada Unegbu before now analyze Evangelist Ebukobi and the miracles. I hope they will find peace with this. This is a very wise advice. Zion has proven to be an unstoppable movement. I mean, what happened in Unapologetically is enough to shut mouth. It is enough to change mindset. It is enough to prove points. So what else? Tell me, which Catholic priest, which Catholic bishop, which in the whole of Catholic Church will be capable of pulling that kind of crowd? Nobody. But when the Catholics supposedly don't happy, no, a Catholic faithful, it is a plus to the Catholic Church, not to the Anglican Church. So why can't they stop this battle of who will be in charge? Rather, send a priest, na offer advice, na attend to the sacramental need of the Catholics, faithful not there, and forget about being in charge of money. The crowd is enough, because we have never seen such crowd gathered anywhere in Igbo, be it doing politics or by any priest or by any clergyman. Not even where they had donkey. We have never seen such crowd gathered anywhere. Evangelist Ebukobi is the only person that has been able to pull such kind of crowd. Or you look at about 50 luxurious buses minus Sienna and minus private cars and Ndigbo transport. See, Enugu State alone, Mmadụ na anọ na one Marco Polo bus. Mmadụ na anọ na one Marco Polo bus. Count more than 50. Enugu State alone. We're not talking about Abuja. We're not talking of Lagos. We're not talking of Onitsha and the other places. Zion will members now more than how many countries and active members, not just members, anyone know. Because for a section or fraction of people not there to bring a certain amount of money, especially America, to bring 4.something billion, when you should know that no blood joke can name. Catholic Church should make good use of this opportunity. This is their time to be on top. I don't know why they are playing games and politics with it. Hey, what I go? Take the advice. The fact is that in these last days, even they say could be actions here and activities here, now short to say damn mouth. People are now beginning to see what we saw. People are now beginning to understand that neighbor na Zion no he is the Moses God who designed. That does not mean that no other men of God Igbo, but it seems like no special assignment God will design that young man for. And if we can play out the way and manner things if Saga, you could see that no one on a divine mission altogether. So Emma is fighting grace, and this grace will definitely evangelism go be with 100 hours. So no one go and check. You check if una no evangelism go be shake ye into too powerful and too popular. We reduce you to somewhere you will not expect. In fact, some of them will walk away in shame and disgrace. That young man. This is part 1 of message of Angela, Fada Angelo. After Fada Angelo, so now somebody oppose everything Zion Juwede. In fact, all issue of Zion Mary Ojuwedu so popular and those whether on Facebook now, because every single thing on a day is bringing down every single thing Zion Juwede. If after fighting all this while, he has found out that the more he on the more Zion now, the more stronger. He has come to accept that Zion is a movement. Because what happened in Ungopala is more like exam kedel and don't know enough good result. Exam kedel. So all those things are named rather on a. So instead of the church losing evangelism completely, it is time for the church to sit down in dialogue. Mother church to sit down in dialogue with evangelism. Thank God no can uphold his Catholic faith. It is a plus and don't need a lot. Share this video. Share up some time back. I come in peace and I still remain Ezugo.